Hello, lovies! Unboxing serye na naman tayo at ayan, binubuksan ng aking daughter yung parcel na nabili natin online. This is actually a surprise gift sa kanya, kaya lang, the parcel was delivered earlier than we expected at saktong nandito siya sa bahay. So, siya na yung nag-receive. Ayan, kasama na din yung pag-unboxing. As you can see, this is a Rixton 61 keys electronic keyboard. At may pa-free na tambourine drum. At isa ito talaga sa pinaka hiningi niya sa kanyang papa kasi gusto niyang matuto na mag-play ng piano or keyboard. This Rixton 61 keys electronic keyboard, yung model nito is RX613. It has 61 keys. It has music. It has 10/60 demos with 100 tones, 100 rhythms. And then meron itong kasamang microphone, mayroong kasamang charger, audio input and output, and then meron ding pa-free na songbook holder, mayroong stickers at kasama na din yung kanyang manual. Nakakatuwa ito guys kasi very good quality siya with very good sound. Talagang hindi lang yung anak ko yung natuwa, pati na din ako. I super like this. Kasi tinatry ko na din siya minsan at super sulit. Sa mga interested, I'm going to put the link on the description box para ma-check nyo kung saan shop namin siya nabili at kung magkano yung price. Please check the comment box. Ayan, tinry yan ng anak ko many times na and she's very happy with this keyboard. So, sa mga interested, yan, check nyo lang yung details sa comment box. Ayan pala yung kanyang mga plugins for charger, phone, audio input and output, and then for microphone. Yan, and good thing about this is madadala mo siya kahit saan kasi meron siyang salpakan ng battery. Kaya madadala mo siya anytime, anywhere. Thank you!